Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to simulate the EternalBlue attack. What is the EternalBlue vulnerability? The EternalBlue vulnerability is a critical vulnerability in Windows SMB protocol, allowing remote code execution without authentication. The EternalBlue vulnerability has been developed by the NSC, the National Security Agency, and leaked by the hacker group Shadow Broker. Now we are going to use a Windows 7 machine, which will be our target, and a Kali Linux, the attacker. Now we want to know the IP address of our Windows 7 machine with the command smb IP config. So here is the IP address of our Windows 7 machine. Now on the attacker machine, on the Kali Linux, we open the terminal. We open our terminal. I'm going to zoom a little. Yes. So on the terminal, we want to know the open port on the Windows 7 machine. So I'm going to use the nmap command. So here is the nmap permit us to scan the target machine in order to know the open port. So here is the command. Here is the IP address of the Windows 7 machine. Now Metasploit is scanning the Windows 7 machine in order to know if it is vulnerable to the EternalBlue attack. So here we go, it is vulnerable. Now we can launch. Here we have a remote access to our Windows 7. Now we can type some comment from our Kali Linux to the Windows 7. Voila. With the command help, we see how the command that we can use. Now we search the EternalBlue vulnerability. Search Eternal. So here are the models, the matching models for the EternalBlue vulnerability. We have many models, but we are going to use the first one with the number 0 in front, the one which starts with 0. We are going to use it. So we use 0, the first one. The first one. The process is taking time. Okay, now we type the command options. All right, here the LOS is already set on the L port. Here is the IP address of our Kali Linux, the attacker machine. Now we are going to set the air host. Set air host with the IP address of our Windows 7. set a host. Now it is said now we are going to run the attack. Okay. So now Metasploit is scanning the Windows 7 machine in order to know if it is vulnerable to the EternalBlue attack. So here we go, it is vulnerable. Now we can launch. Here we have a remote access to our Windows 7. Now we can type some comment from our Kali Linux to the Windows 7. Voila. With the command help, we see how the command that we can use. Okay, I'm going to voila. So now voila, here this command screenshot. I'm going to use this command screenshot to take a screenshot of the Windows 7 machine. Okay, so here is the screenshot with the directory. Remember this name. Now we go home Kali, yes, home. Okay, why here? Okay, here is the screenshot. So now if I show you, the Windows machine, here is the Windows machine. Okay. Another comment that we can use is sysinfo. This command is just to know all the information of the Windows 7 machine. See here. Okay, here's the computer's name, Windows 7 PC, the OS Windows 7, the architecture, the domain. Okay, I can show you another. Okay, efconfig. Okay, this command -dump, we are going to use it. The command -dump. The command -dump is just to know the content of the SAM database. Here we have the administrator of the system, the guest, and the Windows 7. So thank you guys for watching the video, and see you in our next video. And don't forget, what is easy for user is also easy for hackers.